Welcome back, my dear students. In this lecture here, we're going to fix the issue with the images that we got and with the links. If you notice, if I click add, it's going to take me to a folder that we, for some reason, don't have access to, right? Well, let me tell you the issue, right, that you are going to encounter. You, most of the time, are going to be in a share hosting, a share account, or some type of hosting provider is going to give you a hosting service, right? Well, it happens that we can link from the web directory from public underscore HTML to any links or images. We can't do that directly with this hosting services there. There are ways of doing it, and includes making a function to serve your images or serve your links and things like that. It's a little bit more advanced than what I'm showing you right here in this course. All right, so we're not going to get into that. But what we need to do is actually, we could, if you see, we got our includes working. We are including headers and we're including footers, which is super cool. And we also are including functions because we don't have our functions in the public directory, but that's pretty cool too, right? The only thing that we can't serve is links and images, but that's a quick fix, right? I mean, that's a really quick fix. So a quicker fix would be to actually copy the whole directory resources to our public. All right, and that actually would fit a lot of issues. All right, but we don't want our functions there, right? So what we need to do is I'm gonna go to the home directory. I'm gonna right click, copy, and I'm gonna copy this same folder, all right, to our public underscore HTML. So I'm gonna copy that. Now if we go back to our site, we are able to see the images now. All right, the only thing that is not working is if you try to, and the images are working all over the place, but if you click add, of course this is not working because those links and those functions are set to go to public, and we don't have public anymore. It's supposed to go to checkout like that. All right, and now we have those products there available to us, and that one too. All right, so we need to go to those functions and fix that. But now again, let's, one thing that we need to go back here, let's go to public underscore HTML, and on the resources there we could delete the functions. All right, so I'm just gonna click delete right there and delete for the config, delete, and delete for the cart. We don't need those there, right? We come back here and our images are working fine. We just have another folder called resources. All right, that's all, but we don't have config and we don't have our functions here, so we are good to go. We're not actually showing the web none of that information, right? Database and functions are hidden. So in the next lecture, I'm going to actually go back to our functions and set these links correctly, so that way we can make them work, right? Make them redirect to the right place. And that's all we got to do. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next lecture.